Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official. I'm Lema, and I'm super excited that you're joining us today.
And I'm James. It's always great to have you with us. Today's episode is going to be really fun and extremely useful because we're talking about a place almost everyone visits every week, the supermarket.
Yes, whether you live in a big city or a small town, everyone needs groceries, and that makes today's lesson perfect for practicing real, everyday English.
Exactly. In this episode, we'll learn new vocabulary, useful phrases, natural conversations, and even cultural tips related to shopping in a supermarket.
So sit back, relax, and if you can, grab a notebook and write down the phrases you like. Let's begin our supermarket adventure.
Okay, imagine this. You walk into a bright supermarket. Automatic doors open, the floor is shiny, music is playing softly, and people are moving around with carts and baskets.
And right at the entrance, you usually see fresh fruits and vegetables. Red apples, green lettuce, orange carrots, purple grapes. It all looks colorful and inviting.
My favorite part is the smell of fresh bread from the bakery section. Whenever I smell it, I want to buy everything.
Same here. But before buying anything, most people check their shopping list. Things like milk, chicken, sugar, rice, or fruits. Writing a list in English is a great way to practice vocabulary.
That's a great learning method. Every week, write your grocery list in English. Bread, eggs, cereal, yogurt, soap. It's simple, but it makes your English stronger.
Now let's explore the different areas of a typical supermarket. This vocabulary will help you understand signs and find things easily.
Produce section, fruits and vegetables. Bakery, bread, cakes, pastries, dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. Meat section, chicken, beef, fish, frozen foods, ice cream, frozen vegetables, frozen meals, snacks and chips, crisps, biscuits, chocolate, household items, cleaning supplies, tissue, soap.
And don't forget the tools you use while shopping. Shopping cart for many items. Basket for a few items. Checkout counter, cashier, receipt.
Try repeating these words when you walk through a supermarket. Seeing the item and saying the English word creates a strong memory.
Now let's learn some polite and practical phrases you can use anytime while shopping.
Asking for items. Excuse me, where can I find the chicken? Excuse me, is the sugar aisle this way? Do you have fresh bread today?
Asking about prices. How much is this? Is this on discount? Do you have a cheaper option?
Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Can I have a bag, please?
Polite expressions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Excuse me.
When you use polite words, not only does your English sound better, but people also respond more kindly.
Okay, now let's act out a natural supermarket conversation. James will be the customer and I'll be the store employee.
Customer. Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for pasta.
Employee. Sure. The pasta is in aisle number 4, next to the sauces.
Great, thank you. And do you know if this pasta is on sale?
Yes, it is. There's a 10% discount today.
Perfect. I'll take 2 packs.
Would you like a basket?
Yes, please. Also, do you have gluten-free bread?
Yes, it's in the bakery section on the upper shelf.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
See? That was a simple but natural conversation, and you can practice using these same phrases in real life.
Now let's share some powerful tips to help you speak English confidently while shopping. Tip 1. Listen carefully. Pay attention to announcements, cashier conversations, and customer questions. You'll learn many common phrases. Tip 2. Don't hesitate to ask. If you don't understand, you can politely say, "Sorry, could you repeat that? Can you speak slowly, please?"
Tip 3. Practice at home. Stand in front of a mirror and repeat easy sentences. Where can I find the milk? How much does this cost? Tip 4. Use simple English. Short sentences work best. Excuse me, sugar? Where is bread?
Tip 5. Smile. A smile makes communication easier, especially when you're nervous.
Listener practice time. All right, everyone. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
How much does this cost?
Can I pay by card, please?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Great job. Saying these phrases out loud builds confidence quickly.
Cultural insights from English-speaking countries. Supermarkets in the US, UK, and Canada have some interesting customs. For example, cashiers often say, "Hi, how are you? How's your day going?"
It's just a friendly greeting. You can simply answer, "I'm good, thank you." "I'm doing well."
Another thing, many supermarkets have self-checkout machines. You scan items yourself and pay without talking to a cashier.
And don't forget, in many stores you must bring your own shopping bag, or you have to buy one.
Saying thank you and have a nice day is extremely common. It shows politeness and positive attitude. Motivation for learners.
Learning English is not only about grammar. It's about using English in real situations, like shopping, asking questions, or reading labels.
Yes. If you use even one English phrase each time you visit the supermarket, your confidence will grow fast.
Small steps create big results. So, be proud of yourself for learning today.
That's all for today's episode of Smart English Official. We hope you enjoyed our supermarket journey.
Remember, practice every day, even for a few minutes. The more you listen, repeat, and speak, the faster you'll improve.
If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with friends who want to learn English.
We'll see you in the next episode. Happy shopping and happy learning.
Both bye.